Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can unsend an email that you sent using Gmail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to unsend an email, you just simply have to open the Gmail application. And after opening the Gmail application, just compose any email. I'm using a draft that I already made for this video. So, in order to unsend the Gmail, if there are any mistakes or errors that you find after sending the email, you can unsend that email and correct your mistake, and then send it again. In order to do that, after clicking the send button, there will be an option to undo the message in the bottom left corner. You just simply have to click that within 5 seconds of sending the message. Yes, you heard it right. You will just get 5 seconds to unsend an email. But if it's already past 5 seconds, then you cannot unsend any of the emails. So, let me show you what happens. Simply click this send button, and this option will appear here. In order to unsend, you just simply have to click this undo, and then your email will be unsent. But if you didn't do that process within the 5 seconds, it will disappear. As you can see here, the undo button already disappeared after 5 seconds. Now, I only get the option to view messages here. Yeah, this was all for today's video. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.